Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to my house. Bienvenidos a mi casa. Yes, this is my house. Anyways, hi guys. It's been a while since I've been doing videos, but I'm back. I am back. Not in black, but I am back. I will be doing different sort of things, and of course I will be including a few of my favorite things. Well, in this case, we're gonna see if these things become part of my new favorite things, because in this video it's going to be unboxing. I got a new package. Yes, woo! Cheers. Please handle with care. Fragile. Thank you. So I just got this, and it's from one of my favorite things in the world. And you guys can look at this. It's Color Pop. So I went online the other day and I saw some goodies. I was looking for some goodies, and then I saw their goodies, and there's just goodies galore, and I bought some goodies. So yeah, let's get to this. Let me grab a pair of scissors because I forgot to put that around me. So give me 1 second. BRB. Regresamos con ustedes. Okay, so I really didn't find the scissors, but I found my boyfriend's knife. Pocket knife. Even has a clip for his paints. Mucho cuidado. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. If you open with a knife, you gotta be careful. Never point it this way, always do it that way. My daddy taught me that. So, let's open this. Don't want it near me. For those of you that have ordered from ColourPop before, you know that they are very good with packaging your goodies. They put paper. It's nice and okay. They package it very, very nice and secure. So I took the paper out, right? And then we have poppers. So it's nice and bubble wrapped everywhere. So it smells so good. It smells like milk. Oh, ASMR moment. We have this. Anyway. Oh my gosh! Move over, Beaver. Look at that! Isn't she pretty? My box gave birth to goodies. Oh my god. Ow. So, new year, new ColourPop 2019. I love these little things that they always send. I think I have all of them from all the times that I've bought ColourPop. So here's my purple sleeves. I got brushes. I got 2 eye palettes, which is the Lit and Wet from Bretman Rock. I got the All-Star Matte Primer, the NF Loose Powder Translucent, and the All-Star Matte Setting Spray, and a brow kit. Alrighty, so let's take a look. Ooh, look at these, the palettes with Bretman Rock. So here you go, the 2 palettes. Face to Face, Lit, and Wet. I like the matte with the glossy letters. I like the colors. Let's open these bad boys up. Yes, they're really in there. Ooh, me gusta. I like Bretman X Color Pop with a very glittery wet. And then, let's see the colors. Oh, this is so pretty. These are such beautiful colors. I really like the selection as well. You got your nudes, you got blues, you got silver and like a sky blue. It's very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Okay, so we already know how the nudes are, how they look usually. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this glitter, and I'm gonna do that one, and I'm gonna do fishy because my birthday's coming up and I'm a Pisces. So let's do. Oh yes, and it's so soft and so velvety. I love, love, love. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see this on my eyelids. Okay, let's do finished in the middle. Oh, it feels like I'm touching velvet. So finished. Here we got thickums, thickums, and finished. And we're gonna do fishy now. Oh yes, it's like a metallic blue. Yes, yes, yes. This is like so bold, kind of like my nails. So, and I like that this is like a magnet close lock thing. Oh yes, awesome. So that is wet. I'm gonna put it aside. I'll put it back in its box because I like to keep my color pops in boxes. And now we're gonna do lips. They're very tight in here. That's good. Okay, so this is awesome. It's similar but in gold. And let's see the colors. Oh, set on the reflection. Love, love, love. So I'm gonna do a similar little swatch, but now I'm using this hand. And we're gonna do Mercy. We're gonna do Clio Amore for sure. And we're gonna do, let's do Batting. So first we're gonna do Mercy. If you'll work, because I'm not a lefty. Oh, like a green. Yes. Now let's do Cleo Amore. Amore mio, she's so adorable. Oh yes, that's a very nice yellow. It's like a mustardy kind of yellow. So pretty. And I'll do Batting. This is so soft. And then, oh yeah, it's like a little like blush kind of metallic color. It's very, very pretty. Okay. Here goes the sound. Yes. Alrighty. So now we're going for the brushes. I got the set of brushes, which brings 12 brushes. So those are the brushes. I'm so excited to play with them. Like I said, I'm no pro, but I'll eventually get there. It's a good affordable set of brushes. So this is the matte blur primer. Can't wait to try it to see if it blurs my face or makes it look nice and smooth, like if I have a Snapchat filter on my face. These are all affordable, by the way. The two palettes, they cost me $24. The brushes were $50, $52 I think. All-Star matte blur primer with the All-Star matte blur setting spray. It's a lot. It's 4 ounces. and the No Filter Setting Powder, translucent. I'm planning to play more with makeup. Makeup has evolved so much, and I missed that gap where the evolution started happening. So I was with it when my mom used to wear Estee Lauder and freaking Lancome. And I remember she used to wear mascara, eyeshadow, liner, and lipstick, and a little bit of foundation and some blush. But now there's all sorts of things like setting sprays, baking powder, which is not to bake cakes, primers, concealers, contours, shadow primer, moisturizers, illuminating oils that you mix in with your foundation, and brow stuff, like so much brow things like the pencil, the marker. It's just so much. So I've completely missed the part. As you can see now, this is mostly me on a regular basis. But I do love makeup. I do love the artistry of it. I do love the talent out there, and it's so inspiring, and I feel like I'm missing out on something that I do enjoy and love, which is why I want to start putting on more makeup and practicing. Maybe I'll look as good as the makeup gurus, which I love you guys all. Thank you very much. I love ColourPop. I've been following them since I was introduced to them like 3 years ago, or 4. I think it was 4 years ago. And ever since, I love the liquid lips. I love everything about them. And that's why I got this little package. Okay, so I bought this brow kit. It comes in this little box. So I got the ash brown because it's still brown. So here it is, the products. So comes with a brow boss gel, which I believe this is black. It smells like makeup. It's like a soft black. Comes with, it has like a little spoolie brush at the end. And this is the brow color. Which is ash brown. And then this is a precision pencil, which is a black and brown. It's like a bit of a darker color. So it also brings a spoolie on one end. Just for these brows. And the other end is the Z pencil. It's the precision. And here is the... Oh, this is too hard to take out. Hold on. The color, which is stuck in there. Can't take it out. Oh my goodness, I'm stuck. It's stuck, guys. It's stuck. This is stuck. Oh my goodness. It came out. What did I do, guys? What did I do? 911. Just tied in there. Got it out. Holy moly. Oh my god. That was scary. So this is the color. Black and brown. Brow color. Brow color. So this is the one with the angle brush. Brings like ash brown and then black going to brown. I'm excited. Can't wait to use these little bad boys. See how my eyebrows look because I'm not that much of a pro. But we'll see. Maybe I can turn into a pro, work my magic. I'm not clipping that back in there because it took me forever to take out. But yes, as you can see, maybe this will make my eyebrows snatched, how they say, or I like to say on fleek. Eyebrows on fleek. So just to give you a little info, so the 2 palettes were $24. The brushes were $55. They're usually $75, I believe. I got them for $55. All 12 brushes. They feel excellent, and it's ColourPop. So ColourPop is good quality. The kit for the face, which is the primer, the setting powder, and the matte blur setting spray, it was $20, all 3, which is excellent. And the brow kit, which brings the 2 pencils, the precision, the gel, the color putty, and the color pencil. Was also $20. You know, you're getting like the full eyebrows, the full face for good prices, and it's ColourPop. Like I said, they're amazing. I love them, and I will forever love them. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you guys in the future, and please go ahead and subscribe. Leave me any comments down below, any opinions, suggestions. If you like ColourPop, if you don't, let me know. Let me know what you like or what other brands you like, and yeah, go ahead and like my video if you enjoyed it. Anyway, no biggie. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so very much for continuing on my journeys and on my shenanigans, and thank you.